Hello everyone! I'm unboxing some new items for my channel. Let's unbox it. As you see, I've got a pretty big box here and a little mini box right there. Right now we're going to see what's inside these boxes. Let's dive in. There's a lot of bubble wrap in here. Look at all this bubble wrap. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Nice and secure. Okay, first item that I got. Electronic rechargeable heated gloves. This helps me a lot if I'm live streaming outside or shooting cold videos outside, such as snow videos or videos where it's very, very cold. My hands will no longer be frozen anymore, especially my fingertips, because I have these now. Let's check this out. Very high quality gloves. Very high quality indeed. It's nice and soft, just a little heavy. Yeah, these are very premium feeling. You can fill the battery in there. Pretty cool. But yeah, it feels like it was worth $50. Pretty expensive feeling. Here's the cord that it came with. Pretty nice. So if I'm out shooting, my hands will no longer be cold. I have these gloves now, and they feel pretty expensive. Instructions. Not sure what this is, but it looks like this is a case. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. So the red is for the highest temp of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius. The white is for medium temperature for 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 Celsius. And the blue is the lowest temp for about 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 Celsius. So the battery will last about 3 hours in the highest setting, 6 hours in the medium setting, and 8 hours in the lowest setting. And the batteries are 4,000 milliamp hours. Pretty cool. So like I said, my hands will no longer be cold anymore, and these completely replace another set of gloves I got many years ago that were similar to these, but the inside came out. So these are a perfect replacement to those gloves. Next up, we're going to be looking at, we've got the Free Soldier Soft Shell Fleece Lined Cargo Snow Hiking Pants Gray. According to that, 32 wide by 32 length. It's a little open there. Let's go ahead and open it up the rest of the way. Pretty cool. I like this bag that it comes in. I may use this for something else. This bag is pretty nice. And let me show you the bag too before I get to the pants. Pretty cool. Free Soldier. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh yeah, these are pretty nice. Free Soldier. Oh yeah, these are very nice. These look kind of futuristic too. There's not enough room on the camera for me to show you the whole thing, but I'm gonna move this box out of the way, so. Like magic. Here we go. Alright. There's a lot more room for me to show you these now. But these are very nice. The material is just like very professional feeling. The best way I can put it, feels very thick, very sturdy, Very nice. They feel like military pants indeed. And here's the bag. Free soldier tactical clothes. It feels tactical indeed. It's an awesome bag it comes in. But yeah, these feel very tactical. Like, the best way I can describe it, it's got some zipper pockets. The overall design is a little futuristic to me. It's definitely tactical, I'll say that. So, yeah, thumbs up. Very nice material. Feels very professional. It came in an awesome bag. What can I say? These are awesome pants. $43 for these. $43 for these. Put these back in the bag for now. But yeah, these pants feel really, really nice. I would totally recommend this. Yeah, very nice pants. Okay, so now we're going to go into the little box. Okay, I've got my Hero 10 with me. Now I'm going to show you the small box. What's inside of it. Okay, so I brought some accessories for the Hero 10. This little rubber case here. Pretty cool. So this is like a handheld kind of case if you want to hand hold it and you're taking just pictures or hand holding the video. You can put this over it. And a lens cover, pretty cool. And in this little case right here, this to the side, in this little case right here, you have glass protectors. Pretty cool. Comes with 2 wipes, dry wipes and wet wipes. It's pretty cool how they put it in there. And here are all the little glass plates for the front LCD screen and perhaps the lens, whichever one you want to use it for. And here are a couple for the back LCD. So I'm going to put these on right now. Okay, I'm going to put this back in here for now. Pretty awesome. So I have some wet wipes in there if I need to reapply that, but pretty cool. Got a lens cover and the case. So in this case, or in this package you have, so you've got your hand strap you could just attach to the case. You've got a door here, cool. They give you another charging door for the side door of the camera. I actually already have one, but now I have another one without the name on it. So pretty cool. And they give you another lens cap, cool. So you have 2 lens caps here. Let's put the camera in this case. The screen protectors look pretty nice as well. Oh, cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And so that's where you put this guy through. That's where you put this guy through. I'm not going to actually put it on here though. But I'll put on the lens cap, because it should work on the case. Pretty cool. Awesome. Pretty impressive. Okay everyone, that's going to do it for my unboxing video of my new items for this channel. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. I absolutely enjoyed unboxing my brand new electric heated gloves, my brand new tactical pants, and my accessories for my GoPro Hero 10, including the case here, the foam, the rubber case for the Hero 10, along with 2 lens caps, a lens wipe, and glass protectors for these screens. And like I said, you can actually attach this to the case. I'm not going to do it right now, but pretty awesome. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And yeah, it even comes with a new door. So I may put this on my camera so it can be more clandestine. But yeah, I absolutely enjoyed unboxing these beautiful gifts. And it's all thanks to you guys. I got all of this thanks to my wonderful community. You guys rock. And yeah, I look forward to using these items in my future videos and live streams. So I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching, and take care everyone. Go get yourself some heated gloves for the winter, tactical pants for walking, and GoPro Hero 10 accessories. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, unboxing videos, high frame rate videos, and now live streams. I actually indeed need these electric heated gloves and these tactical pants when I walk outside, since I'm walking in different weather conditions. So all of this, including the GoPro Hero 10 accessories, will help me in my future videos on this channel to keep making beautiful content for all of you to watch.